Does God answer prayers? One time I prayed hard to the Almighty God. I opened and made known to Him the desire of my heart. Days, months, years, and seasons came and passed. I waited too long, but no answer came. No answer was in sight. Feeling so sad, I asked, "Why do you keep your ears away from me, my God? I'm imperfect and commit sins. I'm amenable to that. But is that enough reason to forsake me and not give me love? Oh, why do others succeed when they are also bad?" I pondered over it day in and day out. But I didn't lose hope, but maintained my true faith in God. God is love, and in due time I know He would come to my side. What I must do is to persevere in prayer every day and night. Then one beautiful morning, a letter was on my hand. The answer to my prayer came after 7 years had passed. I was surprised and glad, then realized God's answers to prayers may be no, yes, or wait perhaps. The prayer extended to the loving God was answered yes, but was not given at once. God had the reasons why He let a long time to pass. He rooted up all hindrances before giving what I want. It's because He is God of wisdom and He is God of love. He gave to me at last the desire of my heart. If He gave it at once, I may not reap good result. It's because I wasn't ready yet, hence nothing good will turn out. So He allowed 7 years to come and pass. But as hearer of prayers, at the right time He took His part. At last, He answered me yes, because the time is right.